Exercise 2.1. In previous classes, we have discussed about the polynomials, terms of polynomial, variables, constant, types of polynomial on the basis of terms and on the basis of degree. And we have also idea to recognize the given expression is a polynomial or not. Now we will discuss about the coefficient. In a polynomial, coefficient is used for the constant terms. For example, 5x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 5. So we can say that the term which is multiplied, the constant which is multiplied to the variables is called the coefficient of that variable. If it is given -2 only, that means -2 is also the coefficient of x to the power 0, because -2 can be represented -2 into 1, and again we can write -2 into 1, that is -2 into x to the power 0. So we can say that -2 is constant term and it is also the coefficient of x to the power 0. So clearly we have idea the constant term which is multiplied to the variables is said to be coefficient of the variable and the polynomial. Now we will discuss about the question number first or second of exercise 2.1. Here we are going to write the coefficient of x square. So the coefficient of x square in this question is 1. Coefficient of x square is equal to 1, because we are watching here it is written x square, that means 1 into x square. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Next question, 2 minus x square plus x cube. So coefficient of x square is equal to -1, because here written minus x square. Minus x square means -1 into x square, and we are going to write coefficient of x square. So our answer will be -1. Third, pi by 2 x square plus x. Here coefficient of x square is equal to pi by 2. Next, root 2x minus 1. Fourth, root 2 x minus 1. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Because we have idea, if any number either constant or variable will be multiplied to 0, result will be 0. And here x square is absent, not given. That means we can write root 2x minus 1 plus 0 into x square. So the coefficient of x square in this term is 0. Question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. Binomial means two term, monomial means single term. We can write any one example. For example, for degree 35 of binomial, we will write 3x to the power 35 minus 5. And for the example of monomial with degree 100, we can write 5y to the power 100. Next question 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Only degree. You can write this because the maximum power of the variables of the polynomial is said to be degree of polynomial. So, for question first of fourth, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, its answer is degree 3. Maximum degree is 3. For second, y 4 minus y square. Here answer is degree 2. Third, 5t minus root 7. Here answer is degree 1. Fourth, 3. I have discussed. If only constant term is given, then the degree of the polynomial is 0. Because we can write this 3x to the power 0. So answer is degree 0. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Question number 5 first. X square plus x. It is quadratic polynomial because its degree is 2. So you can write quadratic polynomial. Second, x minus x cube. Here degree is 3, so cubic polynomial. Third, y plus y square plus 4. Y plus y square plus 4. Degree is 2, so quadratic. Question fourth. 1 plus x. Here degree is 1. So its answer will be linear. Fifth, 3t. Also linear. Sixth, r square. That is quadratic. Seventh, 7x cube. That is cubic. It's our answer.